Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are paint a mountain landscape. So now we start with the very light pencil sketch. Mark only the horizon, mountain shapes, tree placement and foreground slope. Keep it minimal to maintain transparency. Now start with the sky, apply clean water and paint a soft blue-violet sky. Keep it light and airy, leaving some white for clouds. A lighter sky is always naturally creates depth in the perspective. Here we start a distant mountains. Use more water and less pigment for the far mountains. Cool blues and violets help push them back, and we keep the mountains edges always soft for an very cool effect. Now we are moving toward the mid ground. Increase pigment slightly as you move forward. Each layer should be a little darker than the previous one, and let layers dry slightly before adding the next. Now we are moving toward the depth. Here you can add controlled dark accents in shadows and near the tree's base. Don't overdo it, just because that too many dark can kill the freshness of the watercolor. Preserve your light areas and keep it very dominant in the eye of the viewer. In watercolor, water is a real brush. Before touching color, prepare the surface with clean water. Soft mountains came from wet paper, not hard strokes. Control the water and your painting will breathe naturally. Don't copy every leaf and branch. Feel the rhythm of nature in your brush. Let color flows blend and surprise you. A living painting is better than a perfect one. Always start with the lightest shades. Mountains in the background must stay soft and pale. Trees in the foreground should be darker and sharper. So this contrast creates a real distance and atmosphere. Now moving toward the final touch, which is the very satisfying for every watercolor artist. So remove the tape slowly and reveal the clean border. That final reveals always feel satisfying. So thank you so much for watching. Keep support, subscribe, like and a comment. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.